Good morning, everybody. So, quick video. So, apparently, Dogzi has a knack. I guess it's that word of what I'm trying to figure out. Of chasing birds. She's weird. What's up, weirdo? But yeah, she's weird. She has a thing now that she wants to chase birds, and what she does is she hunts them. I guess I don't know. She's not a hunting dog, but she hunts them. Like she stalks them like prey, and then she wants to chase after them. But luckily, they do fly off. Where she's just chasing them. Anyway, so today's Sunday. Not much to do. There are a couple of things that I have to change for just a temporary change. Because my mom fell yesterday after dropping me off of work, which is quite concerning for me because, you know, I do care a lot, and just the thought of me going to work and her by herself is not really sitting well with me. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. So there's a couple apps that I'm probably going to download and to make sure we're fine. Where are you going, you crazy? She's crazy. Anyway, but yeah, there's a couple apps that I'm going to probably download. For transportation to and from work, I'm probably going to download Lyft and do it that way. Hopefully not too long. I don't know if we're going to go to the hospital today. Like, my mom was thinking about going to JPS Hospital, see if there's any fractures or anything, which I think is a good idea to go. But, she can't really walk that well, so till then, I'm pretty much going to make sure the yard is picked up where nobody can trip and fall. What are you doing straight, crazy? Anyway, gotta make sure that the yard's picked up and everything for her. And it's like one of those days that I wish I already had my driver's license, so I don't need the Lyft app or an Uber app for transportation. But seeing that I don't have those yet, just have to go with it. I'm also thinking about downloading Amazon Prime for a couple of groceries because I do get paid this week, and I don't know. It's just the thought of me not going to the grocery shopping is a thing, so. So there's a couple things that, come on this way. There's a couple of things that I have to do. And, I'm thinking about, well, not thinking about, I'm actually going to clean a lot of rooms today. Majority of it's going to be laundry room, and see how much a washer costs. And then because I already know how much it's going to cost me to get my learner's permit and go to driving school. Come on, sweetie, we're going this way. So yeah, So a lot has happened. So the one thing I think I want to get by of doing and not think about it that much is pretty much making videos. There are a couple of damsel in defense videos that I have in mind. One of them is why I decided to do damsel in defense, and so I think because I thought about doing that video and it sounded like a good gesture, so I'm probably going to do that one. And then I got some products that I can probably try out. So yeah. So there are going to be some damsel in defense videos coming. We had a pottery event yesterday, so I have that to upload. And plus yesterday's vlog. Yesterday's vlog I did mention about 3 videos that I probably will be uploading Monday, but it turns out only going to be 2. One of them was going to be a food truck review, but I couldn't do it because, yes, there was food trucks, but the food truck that I wanted to try, and my mom wanted to try, was a faux noodle truck, and it's, yeah, Vietnamese soup truck, and they weren't there that day, so, or when we were there, so yeah, that's pretty much the plan for a couple days or so to a week. And oh, you see, somebody's trying to move. I'm going to check under the car. Hopefully he doesn't move. He's looking at us. Hopefully he doesn't move. Come on, sweetie. But anyway, so that's the plan this week, and hopefully everything will be fine. Yeah, hopefully everything will be fine. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you guys later.